How to save Snapchat photos in Gallery automatically. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Then, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. After that, select Settings on the top right corner. In the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Memories under the My Account section. Memories is a personal collection of the snaps and stories you save, backed up by Snapchat. Go to the Save Destination section and tap on the Save button. Here, select Memories and Camera Roll. When you tap the Save button while editing a snap, your snap will now save to your memories as well as your camera roll. If you want to save your snaps only to your camera roll, you can choose the camera roll option. Your snaps will then save only to your camera roll and not your memories on Snapchat. Following these steps, you can easily save Snapchat photos in the gallery automatically.